Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the home screen option. Let's tap. As you can see here we've got the system navigation, so let's enter. And of course we've got two different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got the buttons set and next to it we've got the gestures with this cute animation of how to use them. If you want to set the gestures you will have to just tap on this section, and I will do it later on. Just a quick disclaimer about this section, because as you can see here we've got some options which are connected to the buttons, and I really think that it may be useful if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons, you don't want to use the gestures, because here you can customize the positions of the buttons. You can simply reorder the back button and the menu button, so the recent button. You can set some kind of button shortcuts, or you can automatically disable navigation buttons. As I said, just a quick disclaimer, you can do what you want. So, in order to set the gestures, as I said, just tap on this animation and your device will ask you if you want to learn the gestures. So you will go through the tutorial which will teach you how to use them. I don't want to do it because I already know how to use the gestures, and of course I'll show you also, so you also don't have to go through the tutorial. Here under it again we've got some options which are connected with the gestures. We've got the gesture confirmation which is currently turned on, and it simply means that sometimes for example when you're watching a video or playing a game and if you want to get back by using the back gesture, your device will ask you to double it in order to confirm it. Of course you can turn it on or off, and above it we've got the option hide full screen indicator, which I personally really love because instead of the 3 buttons navigation we've got this line and I don't really like it, so we can hide it, which is cool. And thanks to this we've got this clean and clear screen. Yeah. Under it we've got some gesture demos, so of course you can tap on it if you want to, and you've got some information. You've got also this kind of movement shown, thanks to which you can actually learn how to use it. Alright, so basically right now I can show you how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the right or the left, the other way, the left or the right, to the center, and until you will see this arrow, and after releasing your finger you will be transferred to the previous step. And as you can see you can do it from the left or right also. If you want to go back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of fastly, and it should be a short movement, just like you're swiping something away, just like, maybe not like that, but just like that. And as you can see here we've got the home page, and in order to open the recent, so the previously opened apps, you will have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, so the same situation, the same gesture, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And as you can see, after releasing the finger, the recents will appear. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.